Plums, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your makeup with only this travel kit. Are you ready? This is for light packers and it's got amazing eyeshadow colors, a lipstick or two, and a few eye brush applicators. Don't believe me? Follow step by step and let's get ready together. Okay, so today I'm gonna cheat a bit because I actually already did all my base, like the foundation and the concealer and everything, because I'm going to be doing the makeup with this Estée Lauder Travel Kit. Let me show you the pieces. It's a travel kit palette. So we have the mascara. It's in shade black and it's very nice. We have the lipsticks with a little bit of eyeshadow. And then if you close it, you got there like 3 little brushes, one to put precisely the powder or the blush, another one to put on the eyeshadow, and the last one to put on the lipstick. So we're gonna start with this little one over here, and I'm going to be taking this powder to mattify our skin. Oh my gosh. Okay, and our skin is matte. The same little brush, I am going to take it to apply the blush. So this blush is kind of like a blush, but it also has a little bit of shimmer. So it works kind of like a highlighter, and we don't have highlighter on this palette. So this blush is gonna have to do. So as I mentioned earlier, I cheated a bit with the base because, well, I can't just use this to do my makeup. Like, I need coverage, you know what I mean? Then I'm gonna be taking this little eyeshadow pad. So I open the eyeshadows. I'm gonna start with this nude one over here as a base. I'm gonna be taking a little bit. Good thing this comes with a mirror. I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelid, like a base. It's been ages since I've applied makeup with one of these. I remember we always used to get them in the pretend fantasy makeup when we were little girls, and I think I've never touched one ever since. So you guys, I don't know what happened, but the video stopped filming and I finished the makeup. So I'm gonna be telling you with this what I used. I used this dark purple on the crease of the eye, very, very lightly with the applicator. Then I took this shimmery one and I applied it with my finger over my crease. Then I took the Estée Lauder Little Black Primer Mascara. This mascara is amazing. The wand is gorgeous. It's kind of bent, so this helps you a lot to separate the lashes and to not get it all over your eyelid, because this is something that happens to me a lot when I wear normal mascara. Gosh, it's dreadful. All my eyelids start getting stained. This mascara is perfect. It's probably not too voluminous and too black, but it's great for an everyday mascara. Then we have this little lip applicator, which honestly I do not recommend. I tried applying the lipstick with the applicator on my lips and it ended up looking all uneven, and it just kind of like scratched the lipstick like that, you see. So I took my finger and I applied the red one because this makeup is not too bold. I thought red would look perfect with it. So this is what the palette looks like open. This is what the palette looks like closed, and on the back you have the names of the products with all the numbers of what is which. This is a great palette. I would highly recommend it to take it anywhere you want to if you're traveling lightly. I do recommend you though that if you're an eyebrow or a coverage kind of person, to take your own foundation, concealer, and brow powder or brow gel or brow pen or brow whatever on the side, but this is definitely good to travel lightly. Comes in this little box like this, and it's the Estée Lauder Travel exclusive from the Beauty Essentials. It's just so great. The eyeshadow, as I mentioned, is divine. The lipstick, the pink one is kind of light, but the red one, top notch. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this kind of different video, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to my channel, and tell me down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Thinking kind of like a lipstick application. How many ways can we use a lipstick? See you guys again next week on another tutorial from the Porcelain Plum.